If you want to track your project progress and performance, generating reports in Jira is extremely useful. In this beginner-friendly guide, you will learn how to create and use reports in Jira step by step, even if you have zero experience. Reports help you analyze data, monitor team performance, and make better decisions. To get started, log into your Jira account and open the project for which you want to generate reports. In the project menu, look for the Reports section and click on it. Jira provides several built-in reports depending on the type of project you are using. Next, choose a report that suits your needs. Common reports include burndown chart, sprint report, velocity chart, and issue statistics. Each report gives you different insights, such as tracking progress, workload, or completion rates. After selecting a report, configure it if needed. Some reports allow you to choose filters, timeframes, or specific sprints. Adjust these settings to get more relevant data based on your requirements. You can also create custom reports using filters. Go to the Filters section and use JQL Jira Query Language to define your criteria. Once your filter is ready, save it and use it to generate detailed reports or add it to dashboards. Dashboards are another powerful way to view reports. Go to the Dashboard section and create a new dashboard. Add gadgets like pie charts, filter results, or activity streams. These gadgets help you visualize data from multiple projects in one place. Make sure to regularly update your tasks and data, as reports depend on accurate information. Testing different reports will help you understand which ones are most useful for your workflow. In short, generating reports in Jira involves selecting built-in reports, using filters for customization, and adding gadgets to dashboards for better visualization. Now that you understand the process, start generating reports and gain better insights into your project performance. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.